Hello everyone and welcome to Scholarship Times, your own educational channel. Hope you are doing good today. Today's video is very important guys. I will bring you some excited opportunities for IT lovers, for software engineers, Microsoft certified free fundamental course and certificate. So before step by step guide, if you haven't subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe my channel for more future scholarship certification, internships, and webinar. So let's get started. So all you have to do is just open Microsoft Certification Fundamental main web page. Here you can see Microsoft Certified Azure Fundamentals. Candidates for the Azure Fundamental certification should have foundational knowledge of cloud services and how those services are provided with Microsoft Azure. This certification is intended for candidates who are just beginning to work with cloud-based solutions and services or new to Azure. So here you can see the certification details and what are the core modules of this course. Skills Measure describe cloud concept, describe core Azure services, describe core solution and management tool on Azure, describe general security and network security features, describe identity governance, privacy and compliance feature, describe Azure cost management and service level agreement. So there are two ways to prepare: online free and instructor led paid. So basically guys, Microsoft offer free learning on their platform, but for certification you have to pay some amount. So in this video I will tell you how you can get these certificates for free. So here are the course modules. Azure Fundamental Part 1 describe core Azure concept. You can see the core course modules. So the course certificate fees is 99 US dollars. So you don't have to pay this fees. I will tell you how you can get the certificate for free. So hope you can understand about this certificate. So next step is how you can get this certificate for free. These learning modules are free, but for certificate you have to pay 99 US dollar. But if you join their webinars and you complete their webinars about this course, and at the end of webinars you will receive a certain coupon. So by applying those coupon you can get this fundamental Microsoft certified for free. So how you can get those certificate for free? And other main thing, the link of this website I provided in description section. So you will find this link in description section of my video, so you don't need to go on Google and search. It's sometimes very complicated. And now the next step is, look at this guys, Microsoft Azure Virtual Training Day Fundamental. So there are two time plan. First webinar on this course is on 15 December and second on 16 December. So in order to get the free certification you have to enroll in these webinars, and when you complete this webinar you will receive certain coupon, and on applying those coupon you will get free certification. So you can see there are two parts of this webinar, part 1 and part 2. So how you can enroll in these webinars? Look at here guys, register now. Fill in this form to register for virtual training day. You have to write your first name, your last name, your email, your phone number, your job role, your company name, your country and company size. After entering all those requirements you just click on register now. So I don't have account on Microsoft right now, so that's why I am not going to click on register now. So when you enter every detail, you have to click register now. When you click on register now, you will receive a confirmation email for your webinar, and on those confirmation email there is a mention at what time your webinar will attend, so you can adjust your timing on your home country base. So after completing these webinars, you can get free certificates. So the link of these two webinars which are going to happen on 15 December and 16 December, so this link is also provided in description section. And the second webinar, Microsoft event, which are going to happen on 21 December and 22 December, so you can enroll in any one of these according to your comfort. So you also enroll in those two webinars and register now and get your confirmation email. And these webinars are in different languages. You can see, please note, this event will be delivered in English with closed captioning provided in English, Dutch, French, Italian, Finnish, Danish, Portuguese, Swedish, Norwegian, and Spanish. So the link of this webinar is also provided in description section. So hope you people will like my videos for this Microsoft Azure Fundamental Certification Program. For any certification, you only need patience. So if you face any difficulties in how to enroll in this webinar, you can comment on comment section and I will guide you. So it's a very simple and if you like my videos, kindly subscribe my channel for more international scholarships, certifications, internships, and webinar. And also you can join us on our WhatsApp group. The link of WhatsApp group is also provided in description sections. So hope you will enjoy these videos. And by the way, who can attend this course? You can see job role, administrator, business users, developer, student, and technology manager. So if you are IT lover or software engineer, this is the best way for you, because the certificate of Microsoft is very important and accepted all around the world. But Microsoft provide a certificate upon payment. So on completing these webinars, you will get these certificate for free, and you can attach these certificates on your CVs and on your LinkedIn profile, and this will give you huge boost in your job searching. So hope you will like this video. Kindly subscribe my channels. So goodbye for now. See you next time.